I awake to find the devil sitting near my bed. We have a conversation and he says, "Good morning, Mr. Cutthroat. These are most exciting times. We are surrounded by fools and crooks, strangers that give us dirty looks. Oh, so many people to despise. It's tearing you apart. You haven't got the heart. Sit there and complain. Seems a little strange. Good evening, Mr. Turncoat. You've been watching the so-called news. No news is good news, but don't want to confuse the popular pursuit of absolute truth. And who has the time for such remote endeavors? Wanna disappear. How did you end up here? I don't mean to complain. It seems a little strange. Well, take me to your leader. I sure could use a laugh. I hear he's made a new bird feeder, and he sleeps in a bird bath. Who needs to join the circus? Well, come on, just look around. We are surrounded by a bunch of fucking clowns. They sing la, 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 la. They all sing a la, 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 la. We all sing a la, 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 la. Everybody sing a la, 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 la. La 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 la, tearing you apart. You haven't got the heart. You sit there and complain. It seems a little late. Good morning, Mr. Misanthrope. I sure do hope you remember our turn.